Assalamualaikum. Hope all of are you fine. Today I have to deliver science lecture of class 4. You have to search about this topic by putting code 16.20. Today our topic is food pyramid. यानी food pyramid is used to classify food into different groups. Food is classified into different sequence. Just like we have to classify oil, dietary fibers, proteins, fruits, vegetables and the grains into different sequences according to their food value. Food pyramid help us to give information. ये information provide करता है to know which food is good for us or which is not good for us. About food pyramid, according to the food pyramid, oil is placed on the top. We should use oil one time in a day because they are contagious for us. Next, dietary fiber is placed. Dietary fibers include proteins, milk which are good for us and provide calcium to our body and help in the improvement of your body. Next, protein. Proteins is meat. Meat provide you proteins and it also help in the development of your body. Fruits. We have seen that fruits and the vegetables both provide us nutrition and development, but they are placed in different groups. Can you see that why they have been placed in different groups? Fruits and the vegetables why have placed in different groups? Fruits, because fruits have less sugar. Fruits contain sugar and less dietary fiber. Dietary fibers is used for the removal of the excretion. If your food does not contain dietary fiber, if less amount of dietary fibers, you cannot remove your waste, so that they have been placed in different groups. Fruits contain less dietary fibers and vegetables provide more nutrition, and we have to use 5 vegetables per day because they are the major part of your food. Grains are placed in the bottom and they are the major part of your body and food. We have to eat 6 to 8 times of the vegetables or grains per day. And after classify food into different groups and have to use these foods into different manners, we have to use water for development. Water is good for us. We should eat proper amount of the water. Water should be pure. We have to pure water by filtration. Different processes are used. Either distillation. It should be required that you have to drink pure amount of the water and eat and drink 6 to 8 times of water per day. You have classify groups into different groups and drink proper amount of the water. But if you are not doing exercise, it is not good for us. So that we have to do proper exercise. So exercise is necessary for the development of your bones and the muscles. It helps to improve your blood circulation. Next topic is classification, food preservation. If we prepare food properly, then it is good for us. If we do not prepare food properly, it means overcooking. It is not good for us. It destroys our bodies. So we have to consider about that. The food we eat is good or good cooked. We can preserve food by different ways. Pasteurization is the use for killing of the germs and is a preservation method for milk. So hope that all of you have to solve about the exercise. If you have any problem, you can see that.